time we've all been waiting for, to remove the tarp of our vintage camper from the winter.
3, 2, 1.
Remove that tarp! So we bought this vintage camper in 1978 Globestar, hence why we're dressed in the 70s today. And we bought this camper a couple of months ago back in the winter, and that was quite an experience, so check out that video here. Anyway, we just realized we never gave you a tour of our styling camper, vintage camper. So this video is about taking you guys around the exterior, things that we need to do to repair. If you remember, when we brought it home, it gives me a headache. We punctured, one of the trees punctured the back of our camper 3 times. So we got to get that fixed. But anyway, we're going to take you on a tour of what the inside looks like and kind of the ideas we have for the inside, like some design ideas.
Wait. So first, I think we need your guys' help. We need help naming this camper.
Yeah.
We really like the gold strip on it, so we really need your help. So comment down below if you have any name ideas for our vintage camper.
All right, let's get this tour started. Quickly take a walk around the camper just to kind of give you an idea of the shape it's in and kind of the things that we're going to do. Like, obviously this window is broken, we're gonna have to replace this pane, and definitely tune up, turn loud, rock. Yeah, that sticker's coming off. I mean, yeah, groovy. Anyway, so moving on along.
Look at these screws, Mom. They're very dirty and rusty.
They are, and you know what? When they're rusty like that, water can get in. So we're gonna take all of these screws out and put some new ones in that won't rust and kind of get this sealant all cleaned up. It's gross.
Yeah, that's really gross.
And we're gonna get this door all painted, and it looks like it's cracked a little bit, so we're gonna take care of that. I would really like to take these windows out completely and reseal them, because I feel like there's a lot more water damage than we think. Because if you look right here, you can see kind of where it's coming apart. It is so nasty. So we have got to take off this entire corner, get it cleaned up, and just make sure we're watertight.
Mom, don't you see right here? There's lots of like orange stuff and it's really rusty.
I know. We are definitely going to have to paint it too. That's going to be top of the list.
Yep, that's going to be my fun part.
And also, I'm going to need your help, some ideas with this. This rock guard is pretty ugly. I'm trying to think of ideas of what we should do to spice it up a little bit. I thought about maybe doing wood, like maybe some cedar wood and sealing it really well. I don't know, or any other ideas. If you guys have any ideas, please comment below. And obviously we're going to clean all this up and paint the hitch and everything.
And all of this dirtiness is nasty. Nasty.
Yeah. And then you look at more of the corners, you can see where they patched up, where they were having problems, probably with water leakage. So we need to get that all cleaned up. Oh my goodness. Like, you can see like how loose that screw is. It's so rusty. I'm sure water's just really getting in there. Okay, then all of these utility items, I feel like we could probably clean up, but if not, we're gonna have to look online to see where we can get those replaced. And lo and behold, we have another flat tire. Ugh! If you remember in our other video, we really struggled with this, and I'm pretty sure it was this tire that was completely flat last time. Ugh, so annoying. But then we have this another wheel guard that we have to replace, and this electrical. Also, like, I kind of feel like this probably needs to be taken down. It's pretty nasty and all of this. We also have this cover that came off in transportation, bringing it home. And actually we found a new one that's actually even better than the one before. So we just need to get that put on. And then you can see, like, oh my gosh, this is gonna be so gnarly when we take this off. It is gonna be so gross. And then we have the lights that we need to take off and clean. And again, the windows we need to take out and get cleaned up. But anyway, you can see we taped over the holes of where the tree punctured the back of our camper. But the problem that we have is that there's this corrugated metal that matches the whole camper. I have no idea where to find that corrugated metal to match, so we're gonna have to find some kind of strip or something, some way to make it kind of cool, that it's like meant to be there to replace those holes. So if you have any ideas, again, comment below. I'm open to ideas. And then this door, you can tell, has quite a bit of water damage, and we're going to completely take this out. I don't even know if we can repair that. We might have to order a new door and have that completely replaced. But anyway, that's kind of an idea of what we are working with on the outside of the camper. So now let's go inside.
Hello everybody. Welcome to our vintage camper. Come in.
Hi, welcome to our camper. As you can see, pretty much everything has been replaced at one time. It's not original. Some things are original, but most of it is not. Kind of like this fabric. We're gonna have to get rid of that. Not really digging it. And also the oak cabinets. I have a completely different plan, design idea for this space. Really, we don't need any of the upper cabinets. That is way too much storage. I know that sounds crazy, but I have a better idea. Also, for our family, we really enjoy having like family movie nights. And I know that seems kind of weird while you're camping, but let's be real, we glamp, okay? We don't really like rough it or anything, but we like to have our comforts in the camper. So I have an idea of putting a fireplace in the middle of this dresser here. Actually, I'm gonna rip it out and rebuild it. And then I'm gonna have, I don't know how ambitious I'm gonna feel, but I kind of want to build a new couch. So I was thinking about building a brand new couch right here with a nice little chase, and then maybe having it pull out to be a full-size bed. I don't know, but as you're sitting here having the nice little fireplace, maybe the TV would come out of the back of the dresser, kind of just come up, or maybe we would do like a projector where there's a screen that comes down and we have a projector here. I don't know, I can't, we'll see when we kind of dig in what we want to do. But also there's this really cool idea that I have, because in this camper we don't really have any place to sit down and have dinner like as a family if it's raining outside or something. So anyway, if I saw this idea online that if there's like a table in here and it's on like these drawer pulls and you pull them out, put the legs down, and then you have this table to where you can sit on the chase, you can sit around on the couch, and then maybe we could have like a little ottoman or something that someone else could sit here, but the table would come out and that's where we would eat dinner as a family. So it's kind of my idea. I know it's a lot, and sometimes my ideas kind of get a little bigger than we can handle, but it's just an idea right now. So hopefully we can make it happen.
So guys, this is our bathroom. Ugh, it is so nasty. You guys need to see this. So here's our bathroom. There is so many bugs and dirt and grass, so much inside. There is paint, like there's even black stuff over there. The only good thing about the bathroom is that they put in the toilet paper, and I like that gold that they did, so I think we're gonna try to keep that gold. Now look at all of that. They even left this broom and this towel in it. And if you look in that corner of the shower, there is a stink bug, which I'm very not good at with stink bugs. It is so nasty. And there is like, so if you look up there, you guys can't really see but there is spider webs there, and I am so scared that a spider is living there. So I hope there's not a spider. So if you look up here, there's a little fan up there, and it is so nasty. There is so much dirt. I don't even know how we turn it on, but that is so nasty. The mirror. So I'm gonna go ahead and step in and open this mirror. Hopefully it works. I can see that there's like a door there. Oh my gosh. Open. Well, I can't really open it, but I think there's lots of bugs in there. And sometimes if you're stepping into there's this thing, which I just fell on. So I like kind of tripped over it. And also, I think you guys don't even notice, but there's this thing. I think you gotta push down to flush the toilet. Now, as you see, there's a blow dryer there. I don't think we're gonna use that blow dryer because it's I think it's really nasty. We're not very good with that blow dryer. That's the bath. And this is our kitchen into our bedroom. First, I'm going to talk about our nasty pantry. So, there's some electrical and plumbing in here, but hopefully we can get rid of this and move the bathroom over so that we have more room. And we're not going to open our fridge and freezer up because it's stanky. Then we have our counters, which we need a lot of counter space. So we're gonna probably use this, but obviously make it more modern. And then over here, we're going to put our parents' bed over here. And then we're gonna have 2 bunk beds for me and my sister to come this way. And that can work because the ceiling goes all the way up from there to pretty high. So we're gonna have some more room right here to have some more counter space since all of our bedding and stuff will be back here. So now let's take a closer look at all the damage that has been done since we got this camper. Whoa. The back of our camper has a few holes. These are from the tree. And then over here, there's some more water damage. Ew.
Oh, that looks pretty gnarly.
I can't wait to see how damaging that is. I bet it's gonna be so nasty. Now this is a lot worse than the rest. I can even tell how bad this is from. Look at that.
Wallpaper right here, but we have so much work cut out for us. All right, now you guys have seen our camper. We definitely have our work cut out for us, like a lot. It's gonna take a long time, but I hope you guys stick around and watch all of our episodes of the progress of our camper. We're super excited. Okay, so one more thing that we need to decide is the design of the camper. It's definitely vintage, but we don't really want to go retro inside. That's not really what we're thinking, and I am completely over the farmhouse look. I don't want to do that. So what do you guys think? Should we go like Scandinavian design, Mediterranean, and Spanish influence? I don't know. so many ideas. So let me know what you think in the comments below of what kind of design you think we should do, what kind of theme. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and stay tuned for our first demo video coming out soon.